Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix keeps dropping calls on Narzo 100 Lite. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, insert SIM, remove SIM tray and clean with the help of tissue paper. After cleaning, again insert SIM tray and you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so restart device. Just click and hold side power button and swipe up. After swipe up, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down. Scroll down and click on system and update. Click on backup and reset. Reset phone and click on reset network settings. Enter phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is software update. Click on settings app. Click on system and update. Click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix if keeps dropping calls on Narzo 100 Lite. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.